is the chance in heaven that you'll find your way to me? Tell me, what is this sweet sensation? It's a miracle that happened. Though I'll search for an explanation, only one that it could be, that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you. And the choice was never ours. It's as if the powers of the universe conspired to make you mine. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Too many foolish people try to come between us. None of them seem to matter when I look into your eyes. Now I know why I belong here. In your arms I found the answer. Somehow nothing would seem so wrong here if they'd only realize that I was born for you, and that you were born for me. And in this random world, this was clearly meant to be. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Oh, yes, I do. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. And as the years go by, until the day I think I finally know you. I can see beyond your smile. I think that I can show you that what we have is still worthwhile. Don't you know that love, just like the thread that keeps unraveling, but then it ties us back together in the end. In your eyes, I can see my dreams' reflections in your eyes. I found the answers to my questions in your eyes. I can see the reasons why your love's alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore. And I think I finally learned to love you more. You warn me that life changes, that no one really knows whether time would make us strangers or whether time would make us grow. Even though the winds of time will change, in a world where nothing stays the same, through it all, our love will still remain. In your eyes, I can see my dreams' reflections in your eyes. Found the answers to my questions in your eyes. I can see the reasons why your love's so alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore. I think I finally learned to love you more. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why your love's alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore. I think I finally learned love you more.